Hello and welcome to the Scrap Room. I'm Tina Gill, here to share the 3 add-on kits available to coordinate with your Flavors of the Month kit. So we have more cardstock, more patterned paper, and more embellishments. So you can add 1, 2, or all 3. You can also check out our Shots of Life because it will give you more patterned paper and more embellishments as well because it coordinates with the Flavors of the Month. I'll have links at the end for all of those videos so you can check out those and get those added to your shipment. So let's dig in. I'm going to take a closer look at the patterned paper and the cardstock first. For the cardstock add-on, you're going to get 3 additional cardstocks for each one of the 4 collections. So you get 2 of one color and 1 of another. So this is great if you do double page layouts and you like cardstock backgrounds so that you can have the same color on both. Starting with Gingham Garden from Crepe Paper, you're going to get 1 sheet of pigment and 2 sheets of aqua. For the Let's Go Travel from Echo Park, you're going to get a sheet of rosewood and 2 sheets of desert cactus. And then for the Fancy Pants Honey and Bee, you're going to get 1 sheet of brown sugar and 2 sheets of powder blue. And then for the Simple Stories My Story, you're going to get a sheet of turquoise mist and 2 sheets of coral sunset. So lots of beautiful colors of cardstock. Then for the patterned paper, let me go ahead and kind of stack these up a little bit so they're maybe easier to get a hold of. So for the pattern paper add-on, you're going to get 2 additional pattern papers for each one of the 4 collections. So starting with Crepe Paper Gingham Garden, you're going to get this paper called Blooms, and it's just all these different kind of wildflower clusters of blooms. The back is a floral design on that kind of smoky blue. Then we have this beautiful sage green gingham. This paper is called Picnic. The back is a green leaf print. So great tone on tone there. For Let's Go Travel from Echo Park, you're going to get this stripe here. Always need a good stripe. The back is a cross on that barn red. This one is Go See Do stripes. Then we have this with the postage stamps, has the Eiffel Tower, bicycles, the cars. We have the little phone booth, Let's Go Travel. The back is the compass on the blue. That paper is called Travel the World. Then from Fancy Pants Honey and Bee, we have this paper here called Honey Nectar, and it's the wild flowers. The back is a wood grain and kind of that minty green. That's a really fun take on wood grain. Then we have this paper called Worker Bees, which is kind of a sketched floral. And the back is the bee on that mauvey pink. For My Story, Simple Stories, we have this paper called Enjoy the Moment, which reminds me of like a wallpaper. Pink florals on the green. The back is this fun floral on the pink. Then we have this one called Love This Life, which are pots of flowers. And the back is a little tulip design on the orange. So one more look at all of the patterned paper in this month's kit. So much fun. So be sure to get that added on if you love pattern paper as much as I do. Our final add-on is the embellishment add-on. So this is always a lot of fun. You're going to get more embellishments for each one of the collections. So starting with Crepe Paper's Gingham Garden, you're going to get a roll of washi tape, and these will vary, but this is the one I got. That's just like a swipe of color with words. It says Smile, Discover, Love, Magic. So you may get that one, or you may get one of the others from this collection. For the Echo Park Let's Go Travel, you're going to get the package of chipboard. So we have a banner, camera. Hopefully the glare is not too bad on that. So lots of fun with that. From Fancy Pants Honey and Bee, You're going to get half a pack of the ephemera pieces. So these will vary in the kits, but these are the ones that I got. Some tags, icons, and then little postcards and stuff, and also a little scalloped tier of lace. Super cute. For the Simple Stories My Story, you will get the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. So we have a large scalloped border with the florals, lots of little word labels. Love this big title, This Is Me, documented my day, the chair, look at the little pink poodle, and this is perfect. I have a little black cat named Bear, so I definitely will be using that. The typewriter, the books, lot of fun with that. So that is your embellishment add-on. One more look at the 3 add-ons available to coordinate with your flavors of the month. Be sure to check out these videos here to show all the other products that you can add and the shots of life. Join us over on the Facebook group and the blog. We have a ton of fun over there. The design team creates layouts and shares. Your fellow subscribers are always sharing, so there's lots of inspiration and fun. Thanks so much for watching, and we can't wait to see what you create with your kids.